Hello student, Hemant sir is here. So today we are going to solve the next solved problem of your textbook of page number 19 of chapter similarity. Here we are using different tests to explain or to prove the two different triangles which are similar or not. Okay, so that we have already solved two problems in our previous video. Okay, so today we are going to solve the next problem. Okay, so we have example number 3. It says we can say that the given triangles in a figure are similar according to the given information or not. So according to the given information, we have to check whether the given two triangles, that is the given pair of triangles, are similar or not. Okay, if yes, if they are similar, then we have to explain or justify our answer by which test. Okay, so let's solve the problem. Okay, so solution. So in triangle x, y and z, first triangle, in triangle x, y, z, and in triangle M and P, we are talking about the both given triangles. Okay, so side x, y, we are checking the ratio whether their ratios is similar or not. So इसके proportion में हम इसको ले लेंगे mn, से हो जाएगा xy डिवाइड बाय mn इक्वल्स टू, इनके वैल्यूज कितनी दी हुई है, इट इज 14 डिवाइड बाय 21, इट इज 14 डिवाइड बाय 21. So if we will solve this equation, they will cancel by 7. So 7 3s are 21 and 7 2s are 14. Therefore x, y divided by mn equals to 2 divided by 3. This is the ratio of two sides of the triangle. Okay, two sides means two different sides of different triangles. Okay, now we have to check the next side. Which side? YZ and NP. So likewise side YZ divided by NP equals to, the magnitude of YZ is 20 divided by, and magnitude, that is value of NP, is 30. So again this will cancel by 10. 10 3s are 30 and 10 2s are 20. Therefore क्या हो जाएगा, YZ divided by NP equals to 2 divided by 3. It is the ratio. Okay, see here we have 2 divided by 3 and here again we have 2 divided by 3. So let this is our equation number 1 and this is our equation number 2. So by equation number 1 and 2, we have to write by equation 1 and 2. We can write this portion equals to this portion because their ratio is similar. That means ये भी क्या हो जाएंगे, similar हो जाएंगे. Therefore क्या हो जाएगा, YZ divided by MN equals to YZ divided by NP. That is, it is XY. Okay, it is XY, huh? So we write XY here. XY divided by MN equals to YZ divided by NP. They are similar. Okay, so here two sides are in proportion, and it is again given that angle Z is equals to angle P. But these two angles are not included between similar sides. That means here we cannot apply the side angle side test. Okay, ये जो एंगल सिमिलर है ओके, ये इन दोनों जो साइड सेम प्रोपोर्शन में आ रही है उनमें इंक्लूडेड है क्या? नो, ये अदर है, अदर साइड में है। अगर ये वाला y इक्वल्स टू n होता सो देन बाय साइड एंगल, साइड टेस्ट से दोनों सिमिलर होते हैं, बट एंगल z एंड एंगल p, हियर एंगल z एंड एंगल p आर सिमिलर but not included in sides. Which side? The similar side. Therefore, maybe they are similar, but we cannot say these two triangles are similar. Okay, because these angles are similar, but they are not included between these two sides. That's why we cannot say, we cannot apply the side angle side test to prove both the triangles where they are similar or not. Okay, therefore here angle z and angle, it is angle p, okay, it is not b, it is p, are similar but not included in sides. That's why we can write that we cannot say, we cannot say triangle XYZ and triangle MNP are similar. Okay, we cannot say, just look at here, it is cannot से हम नहीं कह सकते, मे बी वो सिमिलर हो सकते हैं, बट वी कैन नॉट से बिकॉज वी कैन नॉट अप्लाई एनी ऑफ द टेस्ट to prove those two triangles are similar or not. Okay, so this is the way we have to prove whether the given triangles they are similar or not. Okay, so write down this part first, or you can take a screenshot also. Okay, so write down now. So student, we are going to solve the fourth example, which is very interesting. Okay, so it says, see here we have adjoining figure, that means in same figure we have 2, 3, 4 different triangles. Such figures are called as adjoining figure. Okay, in adjoining figure BP means BP is perpendicular on side AC, and CQ, this CQ is perpendicular on side AB, which is given in such a way that APC, that means P is lies between A and C and point Q is lies between A and B. Then we have to prove that triangle AQC, this triangle AQ and C, this triangle, I am overwriting, इनको हमको प्रूव करना है, मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, उसको ओवरराइट कर रहा हूँ. ओके, एंड ट्राइंगल APB, दिस ट्राइंगल, इनको हमको क्या करना है, सिमिलर प्रूफ करना है. ओके, सो लेट्स सॉल्व. सो सॉल्यूशन नाउ. सॉल्यूशन में हम क्या लिखेंगे, सी अगर ये वाला जो एंगल है 90 डिग्री का है, तो इसके अपोजिट वाला जो एंगल होगा, सो सी इफ दिस इज द स्ट्रेट लाइन, इफ यहां पर हमने परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ कर दिया, सो अगर ये वाला एंगल 90 डिग्री का है, सो ऑब्वियसली ये वाला भी एंगल क्या होगा, 90 डिग्री का होगा. ओके, सो हियर वी हैव टू राइट अगेन 90 डिग्री. ओके, सो यहाँ पर ये वाला एंगल 90 का है, दैट मीन्स ये वाला भी एंगल कितने का होगा, 90 डिग्री का होगा. ओके, सो लाइकवाइज वी हैव टू सी. सो इन triangle, which triangle, AQC, in triangle AQC and in triangle APB, क्या हो जाएगा बेटा, this angle, which one, APB, angle APB equals to 90 degree. See, this is our equation 1. in equation 1, yeah, this is equation number 1, and here again angle AQC is also of 90 degree, and angle AQC is also of 90 degree. This is equation number 2. So दोनों का मेजर कितना है, 90 डिग्री का है. So we can write by equation 1 and 2. By equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 and 2 से हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? We can write angle APB is equals to or similar to angle AQC. So हमने एंगल, एक टेस्ट में एंगल हमने प्रूव कर लिया, सेम है इन बोथ द ट्रायंगल्स. ओके, नाउ सी दिस एंगल, विच वन? एंगल QCP इज कॉमन इन बोथ द ट्रायंगल. ये वाला जो एंगल है दोनों ट्रायंगल में कॉमन है. अब कॉमन है दैट मीन्स वो भी क्या हो जाएगा, दोनों ट्रायंगल में सिमिलर हो जाएगा. एंड in both the triangle QAP, angle Q, or we can say BQP, or we can say from here itself QAP, angle, or BAC, we can say angle BAC in both the triangle is common angle. In both the triangle, this angle is common angle in both the triangle. So it is again angle. So we have already understood that we have one test by which we can prove two different triangles which are similar or not, and which is angle test. So by using angle test we can prove both, or we can say both the triangles are similar. Okay, so we have to write, therefore by angle test, triangle, which triangle? AQC is similar to triangle APB, और यही हमको प्रूव करना था. ओके, दैट मीन्स प्रूव कर लिया, तो हम लिखेंगे हेंस प्रूव्ड. ओके, सो यही हमको प्रूव करना था. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, एक्चुअल में आपको सिर्फ टेस्ट चेक करना है कि ये अप्लाई होगी या नहीं. On that basis you can prove two different triangles, they are similar or not. Okay, so write down, it is the fourth example, and which is very important also. Okay, so now we have one more question. So this question we are going to solve tomorrow. So on that basis you have few questions in your exercise. Okay, question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Question number 1, 2, 3 and 4 will be homework for you. Okay, and if this among them अगर आपसे नहीं solve हो रहा है, then please do call me on my number, then we will solve, okay, in our next video. Okay, so I hope by tomorrow's video, by next video, we are going to complete our exercise, or we can say one more example. If one more example we will solve in next video, then by next video we are going to solve or complete the practice set 1.3. Okay, so students, आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.